guys, so today we got a few days ago, we got the 20 play button. As you know, it's not a real thing, but we're going to make it that means it's one of a kind, so we're going to try to make it it's even more valuable than the 100 million. We are going to try to double the MLB oddities video. So that you could watch it too, but we are trying to make 442 views in all for this video. Even more we'd like, but you know. So this is our box for play button. Which way to do? So we got a note. Dear We Are YouTube. Dear We Are YouTubers, you have earned the 20 subscriber play button. Your next play button will be for 50 subscribers. Congratulations for all your hard work, and we're ready to see what you'll come up with. And then
Sincere.
Hey Susan. So then YouTube. So take this off. This is so hard to. Okay, never mind. Our new first play button.
It says 20 subs play button. 20 subs play button. We are YouTubers.
And we changed our name, by the way.
Yeah.
So. Yeah! Double the subscribers, too. That's it on the wall.